I got a new brake caliper right here. GM OEM, as I can see right here. Right. I have the old one right there. I'm about to swap it out right now. And alright, let's get to it. So now it's motion on deck. And right here I just broke the line, the brake line. Right, switch the brake line out, people, because this caliper is actually bad. So let's get the brake line out. Right, brake line out. Brake line is leaking, people. Brake fluid. So let me secure the brake line somewhere. Alright, let's get a container. Let me get a container over here. So I got a container. And I got a perfect container, people. So hook it right here. And let the brake fluid just do what it do for now. Alright, so now the caliper supposed to be at the bolt cell. Caliper supposed to be free to go. And it has a lot of brake fluid in here, people. Ooh. So a lot of brake fluid came out. So basically, we're really gonna just kind of dump it right in the container. Alright. Nearly knocked that down. Alright, so this is the bad caliper, people. Got a little bit of brake fluid all over the place. So this came out like this. So the bottom here was the bad one, the bad culprit. Alright, so we gonna throw this on the side over here real quick. Got my trusty rag. Let's get another rag. Keep this right here. And okay, so now I made a mess. Just kind of wipe this up. Let's get the new one right here. And let's get this into alignment. Clean up some of this brake fluid. Right. Piston is all the way in, of course. Alright. Just gonna start the bolts in there. And I gotta see if how GM said I could turn it back as a $40 core, right? But they never gave me no instructions on how to do it, so I'm gonna email them, right, and see the coil, because I'm not paying for the shipping. If they're trying to charge me for the shipping, then what is the sense of me trying to bring it back if they want to charge me for the shipping? All right, so this is the new brake line. So let's get this back in here securely. There gotta be a torque spec for this, and I have to find out what's the torque spec for this, people. And it's leaking all over the place. And let's get the ratchet and see. what's going on here. So is this secured in properly? I believe so. Let me wipe this up. So it's snug in. Right? Okay. Now I'm just going to start to tighten this up and remove this. And then after that, we're going to do a quick bleed. And hopefully, it's supposed to be easy peasy. Good. And this thing is moving in the bottom, which I don't know why it's doing that now. It wasn't doing that before. Alright, so the bottom is locked down. Alright, so I'm gonna get Nas motion to pump the pedal and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so real quick, me and Nas motion, sorry I had a little interruption here, so I couldn't really record the process of me bleeding the brakes, but this is with me bleeding it, and this is the super dirty contaminated brake fluid. I wanted to kind of get some brake fluid out since I was doing it, and this is what I got out. So I got a lot of dirty brake fluid. So everything feels good in terms of I did what I was supposed to do, and it feels good. So now back to everything looks good. I cleaned up with brake cleaner, tightened everything up. Everything is tightened up, but let me see what's going on here. See some brake fluid here. Let me make sure that I'm Gucci with basically no signs of brake fluid. This is, I guess, some old brake fluid from the previous leak. Let me make sure I have no signs of brake fluid contaminating what I got going on here. All right, so let's take a quick look at, oh, wait a minute. Oh, it did come with a new one. I'm bugging. I didn't see that. This is the old existing one. This is the new one. Okay. I thought it didn't come with it because I didn't see it. But okay. We got the new. This is the old one. So I will reach out to GM and see what GM is saying. So as y'all see already, it's already dirty and whatever, but I'm just gonna spray it up real quick because this is basically the return, and try to clean it up a little bit because I have to return it. And I'm missing something. I'm missing, where's that plug? Let's see, is that plug up here? I need that plug for the brake line. Do you see that anywhere in Nas motion? A plug, a plastic plug. I thought I put it somewhere. It's that plastic, a little, not that. It's like something that goes in here, a plug. Got the cap. For some reason, I don't see the plug is somewhere. I know I had it somewhere. Did I threw it in the box? Nope. Damn, people. So much going on. I don't know what I did with that plug. Alright, whatever. But that was the plug actually for the brake line, which I don't have it. I had it, but I don't have it now. So much stuff all over the place. Well, maybe I find it, maybe I don't. Whatever. So, yeah, this joint here, the bottom one, this was a culprit right here that was giving me a hard time. So I took it out before and I cleaned it, but it still was leaking. So you know, I had to change it because you know everything I'm trying to do. So just don't need no unnecessary hiccups. So I guess if I send it back to GM, they're gonna basically you know, clean it up and sell it again to somebody else. So I put that in there. Yeah, and I'm like, damn, what I did with the plug for the damn brake line? That's crazy. Oh, let me get this out of here. I got left all that yeah, so this is the original GM, as you can see. I don't know if I showed y'all in the back. It was the same thing, the original GM. So I didn't go with no aftermarket, people. I kept it OEM, man. And once I could get OEM, as I said, we keeping it OEM. See, the brake fluid is leaking out. That's why I need that plug. Gotta find that plug, people. So, alright. Well, y'all see what it is here anyway. So, this was still original GM in there. So, it was never, if it was swapped out, they did what I did and they kept it GM. But I painted it. GM don't come like that. I had to do some paint on it and make it look cool. So, alright. Well, y'all see the vibes? Y'all see what I'm doing? Y'all see what I did? So, I also, don't forget, I also, I did the oil line gasket. I filled this back up to max. It still look dirty and contaminated a little bit, you know what I mean? It don't look, you know what I mean? But I got a lot of the dirty brake fluid out. So, all right. Short video. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Life of Michael. Let's catch you on the next one.